Manny. Manny, take the sack. Manny. Manny, come here.
Process here, legally going. Jacobs misses with the overhand. Attacking the body with the left hand. Paulie, you're right. The early portion of this fight dangerous for Fitzpatrick. He's shown fairly good points here now. He's getting nailed with some shots, but he's showing some defensive ability.
Yeah, he's not really committing to anything. It seems like he wants to see what Jacobs is going to bring to the table. Maybe hoping that Jacobs will get excited in front of his home crowd. Danny's been doing well off the jab. He's got a very fast jab, nice athletic style, and he's backing him up with it.
20 of Jacobs, 23.
He took the sack. He took the sack. Get it. Get it. Minnie took the sack. Minnie took his sack, boo-boo. Go get it. Go get your sack. Boo-boo, go get your sack.
Jacobs had told us yesterday in the fighter meetings he's working on sitting down a little more on his punches.